announce my new bike on my channel. I got it last Thursday. It's a lovely Saturday morning, pleasant weather. It can't get any better than it. We have this area to ourselves, and on the side of the highway, perfect spot. So this is the bike, Kawasaki Z800 or G800, as many of you call it. 2015 year, in perfectly immaculate condition. Oops. This thing is a fucking monster. I got this last Thursday. I am near Chotbadapur, so I drove it full gear. For those of you who don't know, it's an inline 4 motor producing about 111 HP, 806 cc, and about 80 Newton meters of torque. This thing rips. Look at that fucking tire. That's a 180 by 55, whereas the front is 120 by 70. Let me show you the dash. Instrument cluster is pretty old and basic. You got the engine temperature, odometer. You can see it's only run 15,000. I bought it when it was 15,300, so I've driven around 200 already. And we have the RPM meter, we have the speed, we have the fuel range, and you can adjust the SI units as well, between kilometers per hour, mile to mile, and range to gallons, etc. It has ABS. It doesn't have any fancy electronics come in the latest bike. You can brakes, 2 big discs in the front and 1 in the back. It also has Kawasaki engine protectors in case it falls, and this is probably a China part, but those are the frame sliders currently. I will be changing it, but currently let that be, is what I was thinking. It has a Puig windshield, it's perfect for long rides and all that. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's in the perfect shape, so I'm going to keep that as well. As far as mods are concerned, those are all the mods that they have done. Let me give you a good view. So I will be changing the tail shortly, and then we'll go for the Akrapovic slip-on. Damn good. Even the seat, damn nice. Soft seat, by the way. Z or Z. This bike will be going to full detailing, and PPF will be done as well. So it's going to be shining in the next week. Kawasaki engines, they have designed it so perfectly. You get the same torque in every gear, whether you're going in 3rd gear, 4th gear, 5th gear. If you're in 30, 40, doesn't even matter. You get the same torque. It lacks a gear indicator, so sometimes I struggle to know which gear I'm in because it pulls the same. And it loves to fucking sit. It wants to go. So angry all the time. They've installed a K&N oil filter. And tires are pretty new, and service also is done about 500 kilometers back. So there is nothing to be done currently on this bike other than mods. So you will be seeing this bike mostly in trips, sometimes even in my daily observation playlist. Right now I'm just announcing that I've bought the bike and this has been added to the channel. For those of you who are wondering, the Duke has not been sold, so this is an additional one. You cannot sell a member of the family, you can only add. So Duke is also that will be used for daily observations now, but I will occasionally take this as well. It is fucking massive when you compare it to the Duke. Look at the tank. Oh my god. I like the color scheme, green stripes there and there, and fully black. It lacks some amount of stickers, which I'll be maybe doing, because maybe with a stripe here, green stripe would be nice. This costed me on the higher side as well, but not going to reveal the price and all that. But I realized the bike has to be in a good condition rather than buying a cheap broken bike. That's pretty much what I wanted to talk to you guys about. On the other hand, if you guys ask how the bike rides, this thing is a fucking holy fucking shit. I've gone only 150 or something right now in third or fourth gear. I don't even know. But they say it goes about 250, 260. I'm not gonna try that this soon. The tank capacity is about 17 liters, and you have to fill preferably only 95 octane plus, which only Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum provides. XP95 or XP100. XP100 is not recommended. It is 160 rupees per liter, whereas XP95 is only 110, something like that. So currently it's being fueled only in Indian Oil, where XP95 is available. So this will be a new journey for me. My very first superbike. And damn, does it fucking whip and looks massive. You guys are asking for mileage. I honestly don't know, but maybe in city it gives around 10 to 15, and in highways it's around 20 to 25, I guess, maximum, max to max. Because when you are driving in city, it shows the range. That will, on full tank, it shows only 200 or something, but in highways it was showing 400, 600 and all that. So on highways it's probably 20, 25 to be safe, and in cities it's around 10 to 15, that's all. I've driven it in city, I've driven it in traffic. I'm a 5'5" rider, and I am still able to manage. I'm still learning, I can reach one leg, I cannot reach both, so it's gonna take time to master it. I will show you how the bike sounds. It's completely stock. But an Acra would be even better, so we'll get that shortly. I'm gonna take it more for a round, show you guys all the clips, and probably that's it for the video. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you in the